I legit done like 15 takes. Yeah. This is gonna be a hard video. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Brian and this is the new channel now to be called Brian Paul. Yes, that's my name. And I'm rebranding it for one specific purpose. And that is to give you guys more and more value on the car culture and the car community. I love cars. I love everything there is to do about cars, working on them, driving them out on the track, and just being part of this culture has really just kind of expand my channel to a whole other level. You see, Rad Bavarian was a great name at the time. I was working on just BMWs. And again, Bavarian, it's a state within Germany that houses the headquarters of BMW and Audi. And guess what? I'm only limiting myself to just BMWs. As a car enthusiast myself, I love cars in general. I love JDM, I love American muscle. I love all sorts of cars, and I want to introduce that to this channel right here. I have some phenomenal partners, and yes, I'm going to continue working with them like Kies Motorsports, Bob Sound, and others. And honestly, it's been a phenomenal journey, and I would not be where I'm at today if it was not for their support, especially Kies Motorsports, Brian and Gary and Andrew out there. Thank you so much, guys, because honestly, you have taken my channel to where it's at today. And as of today, I'm approaching 4,000 followers, which is great. I'm hitting my next milestone, but I want to do more, and I can do more if I'm allowed to just kind of rebrand and restructure my channel a little bit. You see, I do marketing for a living. I love rebranding. I love branding in general. And at the beginning of my channel stages, when I first started, it was called Rad F30. Legit, I was just caged up to just the F30 world. I did that with my 320i. Blew it up, got my 440i. Now, I'm not really an F30 guy, I'm an F3X because the 440 is an F32. And I traded that in for a G82, so I'm kind of just in the BMW world, which is why I rebranded to Rad Bavarian. But now, I want to just rebrand to Brian Paul. I want to just share with all of you my knowledge, my experiences with building different cars, introducing different cars. I'm going to be going to the track now, and honestly, this past year, in reference to going to the track, I've learned so much about just appreciating cars out there and how they're made to be driven. You see, this M4 was not made to be a garage queen, and I 100% want to encourage all of you out there to have an M car or even just an F chassis. Guys, go out there, go to the track, pick up a beginner class, and just see what the car can do and how it performs, because BMW has manufactured some amazing vehicles and you will never know what that feels like on the freeway. I'm sorry, but you going from like 60 to 100 real quick is great, but going from 60 to 100 and back to 30 and back to 60 and back to 100 or 120 on a road course, that would test your limits and humble you. Anyways, I'm not gonna get to that. I have a whole video on that, but guys, expect more track videos. And guess what? When you go to the track, you meet other people and their builds, and I want to introduce that to you in this channel. So without further ado, welcome to the rebranding of this channel. So the M4 is still gonna be a staple car of this channel. I have a lot more projects coming for this thing, a lot more parts to be installed. Kies Motorsports and another company like Bob Sound is sending me parts, and I have a lot more videos coming to build this thing. And now I'm exploring the track, so I'm gonna be looking into track specific parts to make my time at the road course just more enjoyable, and obviously to be on the safe side of things as well. But anyways, guys, thank you for your support. I appreciate all of you for your watch, your support, your comments, and honestly, guys, I want to give you all more value. That's why I do these videos. It's just to educate, bring value, and to grow a community, guys. So I want you all to join me at the track. I want you all to join me at the next track meet, at the next car meet, not track meet, at the next car meet. And honestly, just to get to know each other and just build this community for what it is. To wrap up this video, I want to say thank you to all my supporters. Thank you to Kies Motorsports, to Brian, Andrew, and Gary for helping me out with this car build and my previous builds. And guys, there's more coming to this channel. I appreciate all of you, and stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you guys.